In this short tutorial, I will show you how to unblock someone on Roblox. If you have blocked a user on Roblox and now want to unblock them, it's a quick and easy process that can be done in just a few simple steps. To get started, open up the Roblox mobile app, and then tap on the More button at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, scroll down to the very bottom and tap Settings. Once you are on the Settings page, tap Privacy. And then scroll down to the very bottom again, and you'll see a section called Blocked Users, and in that section you'll see an option to show those blocked users. Just tap on it. Now you'll be able to see all the people you've blocked on Roblox. To unblock someone on Roblox, simply tap the Unblock button next to them. This is exactly how you can unblock someone on Roblox. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.